Are you keeping up with the craziness of the 2024 cryptocurrency market? Because if you haven't, you wouldn't have seen there are some coins up thousands of % in a super short amount of time. That's why in today's video, I'm focusing on one of the hottest and latest cryptocurrency projects. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell. Here, the latest cryptocurrency project, Wump Pro. Copy trading tools to find smart traders. We provide tools for searching and copying transactions for profitable wallets on the Solana network. You can actually buy Pro right here, or you can actually test it for free and then purchase at a later date. Jump into the Telegram channel, the Wump bot here, documentation, support, and again, the Pro. About Wump, have you ever wondered, is it possible to find a profitable cryptocurrency wallet and repeat all of its actions? Yes, of course you can. You're on the right path, and all that separates you from this path are some tools and experience. That's exactly what we provide. These tools help users analyze wallets and get their detailed statistics in order to repeat their transactions later. Our product includes many tools for making money in this niche, and we know that you will choose it. We'll go into the documentation a little bit later on. Here we have the free and the pro. So free, wallet checker, 3 requests a day, but we don't have access to the token checker, guides, gem wallets, calls, and other Wump features, whereas we do over here. We have unlimited, we have token checker, channel, guides, copy trades, and we also have the call channels here. We have wallet statistics. You can check any wallet from the available networks and get full statistics. Token analyzer, you can the best wallet simply by sending a token to our service. Profitable wallets, we provide profitable wallets that make good percentages every day, and you can actually repeat it. Gem calls, we have influencers on our team that give best calls and other features right here. Next, we'll actually jump into the documentations right here. Welcome to Wump, the best tool for analyzing wallets and tokens in DeFi. Our service provides a large number of tools for analyzing the DeFi market and finding insider wallets for further trading behind them. You can learn more about the product here on the YouTube channel, what is copy trading and how to find profitable wallets. You can actually do so right here. Next, we have the features, functionality. Here we have the wallet checker. So you send, so it's check with the wallet to the bot. You select a time period to display the statistics and you get the full wallet statistics. With the token checker, you send the token. Your token is currently in operation and you get the file with the wallets that made a profit. Sort and get the best wallets through here. The main functionality of our products includes the following. Wump checker bot, so provides a detailed statistics on the wallet, how profitable it is, what percentage of successful transactions it contains, and so on. Token checker, token analyzer that allows you to get wallets for a specific token. This checker gives you a file with a table that you can filter by parameters, get the best wallets by coin of your desire. Here we have the channel with insider wallets. We publish a sufficient number of insider wallets every single day. Everything is ready, just log it into the channel and analyze. Here, channels with trading and guides. We publish guides and instructions on how to use trading bots. Next, we have calls and experienced trader finds interesting coins and pre-sales that gives X's and shares them with the community. Here, if we actually click on the Wump bot, it takes us over to Telegram, and here we'll go over to the Wump checker bot right here. They have the Wump checker bot right here, which is actually the Solana bot, but they actually also have a base bot that you can use. Here we can see on the Telegram Wump checker bot, hello, this is Wump Solana bot. Help people master copy trading on the Solana network and earn, simplify trading behind successful traders, and provide tools. Here we have the free version. We're actually limited to 3 requests per day. So the pro version includes unlimited tools, access to the alpha channels and chats, which we'll go over later, daily profits and wallets in the channels, the community of copy traders. So here you can actually use this current free version of the Wump Solana bot, and they do have the base bot as well. So right here, I just plugged in a wallet here. In the wallet checker, you can see how to actually start. So you send a wallet or token and then you follow the instructions. So let's do that now. You just paste in a wallet right here and you'll see, actually click on check wallet right here, and then you choose your period. Once you choose your period, it will then pop up right here. So I've done it for this one. So we see the wallet right here, then the balance, just over 1 sold, the stats for the last 7 days, win rate, it's ROI minus 92%. So we can already tell, I don't want to copy trade this person. He's down 214 Solana in the last 7 days. Wow. Okay, perfect. That's why Wump Checker Bot is really, really good. Obviously, you can see right here that this is not somebody that I want to be copy trading, but it gives you some great statistics. We can see profit, average time, snipes, unique tokens, buy count, average buy amount, sell count, average sell count, and everything right here. Super interesting. We see his last 10 trades. We can see all the ones he's trading right here. The owners of the pro version will also receive a token checker in bots. You can simply send the token contract you are interested in to the Sol or base network and click check token, after which you wait a little bit and they send you a table with sorted wallets according to a certain parameter that you entered, and you'll be able to find some interesting wallets to actually copy trade. I also want to go over the Wump base bot. So we have the Wump Solana bot, but here we have the Wump base bot as well. So we can jump into the channel. Here we subscribe to the Wump channel, and here we can see we have the Wump checker bot. We have the wallet checker, which I have shown you before, but now I'm actually going to show you the token checker. We can go ahead and paste the token address right here, and you'll see I'll do it as an example right here. You actually paste it, and you can see you can choose check wallet, but here you actually click check token. When you actually click check token right here, after checking the token, the bot will send you a message. Usually the check takes about 1 to 3 minutes, and that's right, it took about 2 minutes, and then it sent me this message right here. It's see the token report shows me all the wallets, zero wallets, sniper wallets. You can actually go into it right here. You can see it shows me in a Excel sheet all of the wallets, shows me their buy count, how many times are they buying, how many times are they actually selling, their total buy amount, their sell amount, their total profits, their return on investment, are they a sniper, their average time in the market, and also here you can click on the deck screener link. So it's really cool. You can see the traders that are actually making a really good ROI. You have access to their wallet, and obviously you can then copy trade these wallets to potentially look for future massive trades. So there we have it, the Wump base bot, and again, the token checker right here, a really fantastic feature of Wump Pro. Next, let's go over all the actual bots and chats that Wump actually has. Here we have the pro chat right here, the Telegram group. We can see new members we have right here. We can actually get into the token checker for Solana and also the token checker for base right here, and we're now part of the community. We can see everything right here. You can see other people also checking some other wallets. This wallet right here up 1,300%. These are the type of wallets you want to be looking out for. So really everything is ready. Just go to the channel, analyze the best wallets, transfer the wallet to copy and repeat transactions for your trader. Here we also have the gem wallets. We can see all of the gem wallets, this wallet up 200%. We can see this wallet up here, 500%. Another wallet up here, up 400%. So we can see all of these gem wallets. These are actually really good ones to actually track and see, are these some potential copy trading targets? We then have the trading results group. Right here, you can see some people, 133% trade. We can see some other ones right here. Let's see how much this guy actually made. We can see there's another guy made 75% on his trading position here. This guy actually made over 4,000%. So you can see right here is dropping record for keeping purposes right here. Thank you, Wump. Next, we have the calls group. So we can see Wump calls. So we can actually see a trader right here going through and finding some potential targets right here and actually making some calls on some particular narratives, some particular coins, actually shouting them out and saying, take a look right here. These are some calls from Wump. So an experienced trader right here is finding interesting coins and pre-sales, and he's bringing them and sharing them with us right here. We also have the guides channel right here, so we can see everything we need. We have released a new bot on the base network, has 2 functions, checking the wallet, getting profitable wallets. So right here, you can actually learn more. They've got videos, everything right here, guides on everything. Many of you ask questions. So here, what are parameters? Actually asking about all the parameters so you can understand everything you need to know when you're actually using the Wump Pro trading bot. Here we even have the basic information tab, a channel where information about our services will be published about Wump right here. So you can see any major releases, any major updates are all going to be put here. Lastly, we have the feedback group right here. Please leave a review. It's very important. We want a quality product that will help make us continuous into the future. So there we have it for Wump.pro right here. Copy trading tools to find smart traders. We can actually find some of the smartest traders in the market right now and then begin copy trading for our benefit. Also, if you decide to purchase the pro subscription, use the code JOHNTRADING to gain an additional 7 days of free access to the pro version of Wump for using my access code. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell to stay up to date with all of the latest YouTube videos, and I'll see you in the next video. This video is clearly not financial advice and is only intended for entertainment purposes.